Hi guys, it's Makeup and Martinis!
Yay!
She is.
I'm celebrity makeup artist Brandy. So let's discuss this.
I'm beauty expert and aspiring actor, Mango Johnny. And today we're talking about ROC Skincare.
Hey guys! So today, it's all about skincare. I know it seems like we're doing a lot of skincare lately, right?
But it's important.
But it's very important if you're going to wear makeup, your skin has to be taken care of first. Because if not, then it's going to look horrible. Just saying.
I can attest to that.
So, we're going to talk about something that I use. One of the products that I use and I've been writing about. And the company saw the article that I've written. It was on the Today Show online. And in the beauty section, and they sent me some products, so we're gonna try it out, play with it,
see how it feels,
let you know our thoughts, and hopefully you'll share with us what you think. Okay, so the brand that we're going to be talking about is ROC, R-O-C, however you guys really pronounce it. I say ROC, some people say R-O-C.
We're saying ROC today, honey.
But I really love this product because they have retinol in it. And I really feel that it's for women once you get like my age. Then you really want to start taking care of the skin. Retinol, make sure you have retinol.
Or men with your crow's feet.
Yes. So they have like a full line, a full collection. So we're going to start off with talking about the daily hydration. This one is Retinol Correxion Max. Their daily hydration. So that's something that you can use every day.
It sounds intense with the max.
I know, right? Like, it's going to really do a lot.
Deep hydration.
And I really feel like it is going to do a lot. So, it's an advanced anti-wrinkle formula. So, I definitely like that.
And it's oil-free. Won't clog pores.
And what my challenge is, as I'm starting to mature, is I get the fine lines around my mouth. I hate that. I hate the puffiness that I get around my eyes. Drives me crazy. What about you, Johnny?
Mine would be, yes, like I'm getting like little crow's feet. Little ones, but still. Dark circles under my eyes are big for me.
Yeah. It's not always bad though, but I know what you mean. Some days when it shows when you've been having
just like
busy weeks. So this is another one. This is their Deep Wrinkle. I don't know if you can see it. The Deep Wrinkle Daily Moisturizer. It's really good, again, for what we're talking about, for those fine lines that you're starting to have, ladies. This is perfect to use. It's a daily moisturizer.
And has SPF 30.
Always make sure you have your SPF. I know for me, I have to have SPF because of my lupus. I burn during the summer.
You actually just always have SPF on, I will say, because the sun is getting worse, I will say.
You will say.
In Vegas, I got so burnt.
Oh my God, you came back horrible.
Oh my gosh, I was
scared. You
were
baking. So then we have eye cream. There's two. There's one regular and then there's one for sensitive. I think I will fall into sensitive. Before, when I was younger, eye cream, I could probably do anything. Now my body is doing weird stuff that I break out or I have a reaction or it burns. So I've been using a lot of sensitive.
I might need that too.
So let's try this one on you, Johnny.
Because we know how some wipes are like.
Yeah, it bothers him. Like, if you all ever watch our videos, it bothers Johnny. Like, he burns instant. So that's why I know he has sensitive skin. So that's how you know it's new. We don't need a lot.
Nothing but the best here at Makeup and Martinis.
As you can see, that's not a lot.
No.
That's all you need. So, when I'm putting on the eye cream, I'm going to have Johnny look straight ahead. I use my ring finger. And then I like to take and pat it on instead of rubbing it. I do a lot of patting. And I would even go up, all the way up to his brows.
Do you do the lid? I was just curious.
You can. I always read the directions first.
Because it might be too much.
It might be too strong. We can try.
I was just curious.
Let's try. Take a little bit that we have left close to me. Because this area, if you want to sit closer up so they can see. I don't know about you guys, but in my eyes, on my lid, it's where in the morning when I wake up, it's very puffy. And I hate it. Because one is really bad. So I have to always, when I do makeup in the morning, I have to take and make sure the other eye when I'm doing makeup looks like that one. Because it's almost like somebody punched me in my eye. But that's some new stuff. I haven't had that problem before. But as I've gotten older, I'm starting to have problems with puffiness on my eyelid. It reminds me.
Feels good. It's like not super greasy.
No, it's not
goes in.
greasy at all. It absorbs right into the skin.
Yes.
And that's what I love about it.
I will say, it feels a little warm at first.
When you say warm, like a tingling warm, or like warm, like just like heat?
A little bit of heat, which I was getting nervous at first. I'm like, oh no, am I gonna have a reaction to this? But it's not. It's just, I guess, whatever's in it.
Probably
Maybe
retinol.
to help retinol, maybe, or whatever makes it penetrate the skin. But no, it's fine.
Okay, good.
It feels really good, soft.
Good.
And like you can tell, it's like in the skin. There's like nothing on top after patting all that.
I love a serum because at night, that's when I like to use my serums because they can absorb really well into the skin better. And then this one is great to reduce deep wrinkles. So definitely look into that one, guys.
I'm impressed at how it feels. I really am.
Well, it's not sticky. I know that when I first when it was first sent to me. Okay, Charlie. When it was first sent to me, I fell in love with the product instant. I was like, oh my God, I love this. And I just kept using it. And I actually liked the way my skin, behaved with it. And I started to notice a difference. And I started getting people saying, what are you doing different? Your skin you look so young. And I love that. And then these are 2 evening for nighttime. So you have the Retinol Correction Sensitive Night Cream.
Yes.
And then you have the Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, again with retinol. So these are really good to reduce the look of expression lines and deep wrinkles. So definitely check these out.
We'll post prices and where you can purchase these products in our bio too, so you guys can take a look.
So the ROC products is for women, for men who are starting to care about anti-aging products.
Since birth.
Let us know what you think. If you're using it already, what you used. Okay, guys.
See you, bye.